Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to get the Samsung UI on your iPhone. This is a really cool way of experiencing the Samsung user interface before moving over to Android. So on your iPhone, open the Safari app. Now navigate to itest.nz. The link should be in the description. This is a test website for Samsung UI. So as you can read, it says you're 2 taps away from it. So go ahead and press the share icon at the bottom. Now tap on add it to your home screen. Now it'll go back to your home screen and then tap on the new icon Samsung iTest. This will open up your Samsung UI on your iPhone. Most of the buttons are operational, but some are not. This is just a taster of how Samsung UI will look like before you buy a Samsung phone. So all the icons are just for mock-up. Tap on anything and have a play. It'll give you a brief description of what it is. And there you go, that is how to get the Samsung user interface on your iPhone. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.